Good morning. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department admission ceremony for today, Monday, June 5. Ms. Guerrero?
May it please the court and good morning. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 43 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each of the applicants here this morning does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. So again, as every admission ceremony, it's important that we acknowledge the work that you and your committee and the lawyers who do this pro bono, the work that you all do. It is a Herculean task, and you always do so successfully, and we deeply appreciate it. So prior to today, the bench took a look at the motion. We met, we discussed it, and your application is granted. This time, the Deputy Clerk of the Court, Ms. Margaret Soa, will administer the oath of office.
Good morning, Justice Weber. Good morning, candidates. Candidates, please raise your right hand. I'll recite the oath in the form of the question. At the end, I'll ask you to unmute your mics and respond by saying I do. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counsel at law according to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your hand and please remute your microphones.
Congratulations, attorneys. That's awesome. You're attorneys. We get a round of applause for our new attorneys. So at occasions such as this, admission ceremonies, it is the tradition of the court that one of the justices give short remarks. And when I say short, I mean short remarks. And this morning, that privilege and honor falls to myself. So again, on behalf of the justices, I want to congratulate the new attorneys. I want to congratulate you and your families, your parents, family, and friends who supported you both emotionally and financially. I think I can speak for my fellow justices when I say that sitting on the admissions bench and welcoming the new attorneys is one of the most rewarding perks of sitting on the Appellate Division First Department. It is heartwarming to see the look of accomplishment and success on the faces of the new attorneys. And when we were in person, we could see the look of pride and love on the faces of your families and friends. Please do not think that because we are virtual in any way diminishes your accomplishment or your achievements. In fact, what you have achieved in these trying times and what you will continue to achieve is perhaps all the more commendable. You should all be very, very proud of yourselves and should definitely savor the moment with your family and friends. If nothing else, these past 3 years have taught us resilience. When confronted with extraordinary challenges, both personal and professional, we have recognized the challenge and found a solution. These are important characteristics of being a lawyer: the ability to confront an issue or a problem, find a solution. And it is also important and telling that we have worked together to make our world a safer place for each of us, our families, and our individual communities. That is the beauty and the hallmark of our profession. That is what being an attorney is all about. Now, there are many vehicles for making a difference. It may be volunteering to assist those less fortunate who are in need with legal issues. It may be serving as a mentor to current law school students who are facing a myriad of issues which are multifaceted and which have never been faced by law school students in the past. Maybe by joining a bar association or by becoming more active in your law school or your college alumni association. The practice of law is certainly in flux, and while this may be frightening and uneasy to many, it also in many ways is very exciting. It allows us to think beyond what has been the norm, to explore new and arguably more efficient ways of practicing law. and it allows us to explore what we can be and what the practice of law can and should be. With the oath you have just taken also comes a set of principles and obligations that now become a part of your life forever, whether you remain a practicing attorney or not. For the rest of your days, you and your actions will be judged in light of your education, as well as your status as a member of this profession. While many see this as a burden, it is also an honor. As Thurgood Marshall stated, each of you, as an individual, must pick your own goals, listen to others, but do not become a blind follower. Do not wait for others to move. Move yourself. When you see wrong, inequality, or injustice, speak out. As you are aware, June is Pride Month, a month dedicated to the celebration and commemoration of LGBTQ+ pride. The word pride is an integral concept within the LGBTQ+ community. It represents solidarity, collectivity, identity, as well as resistance to discrimination and violence. Concepts which I think you will all agree transcend sexual identity. So, attorneys, plunge deeply. You all bring fresh ideas and talents to a noble and great profession. Again, my congratulations to you all. Thank you.
The new attorneys will stay on with me, and the justices will log off along with Ms. Soa. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day, Judge. Okay, congratulations to all of you. As you heard, new attorneys, feels good, right? Welcome to the bar. If anyone has anything they'd like to share with me or any concerns they have,